the attitude, the character, and become the first lady of our Miss Universe brand ambassador. That's right, that's right. She has to be healthy, she has to be strong, she has to focus, and she has good attitude in order to travel around the world. I think this year, at least 35 countries around the world. Be healthy enough, having the good mindset, and also be ready to travel at least 35 countries this year.
Diba? So, pasok pa din sa mga ang ating kandidata pag ganyan talaga ang basihan niya. So, walang imposible yun na may chance talaga ang ating Miss Universe Chelsea Manalo. O, good character, healthy, dapat paging positive. Yun naman nakikita natin kay Miss Universe Chelsea Manalo. Kaya, yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, na nagpupursige talaga siya. Continue natin.
Love to see the walk. I just would love them to name their own walk. Last year, Chinese Panasia won because of her sway walk. I just would love to see the innovative, the initiative idea of creating your own walk. That is the charisma. That is the character. And that is kind of transformational leader. You cannot just come and walk, but you must have the character walk. Now you fit her to be the national costume, and I would love to see the first gown of everyone on the stage. I just would love to see how beautiful they are and the character that can be the iconic woman of the world. Thank you.
Yung last year ng Miss Universe, ay talagang may sarili talaga siyang walk. Ang ganda ng pag-show niya. Basta ang ganda ng pagka-walk niya. Yung walang pressure ba, yung nag-i-enjoy siya. Yun kasi ang character na ang gustong mangyari ng ating owner. So, wala namang imposible yan sa ating kandidata. Basta maging positive lang talaga tayo, huwag tayo umasa. At talagang, ang ganda kasi sinabi niya kung ano talagang gusto niyang makita sa isang Miss Universe. So, yun talaga. Yun ang tinatawag na may gusto talaga siyang makita. So, yun ang nakita niya sa isang, sa last year na Miss Universe. So, wala imposible yan sa atin. Ano pa? Yun lang.